Okay, thanks for bearing with me, guys. All right, here's what we got. Got my heat gun here, and this is. I wish I could say I came up with this technique, but no, I learned this from somebody else and online or in a magazine. The thing is, here, what we're doing is we're melting the plastic, and to be honest, I'm not exactly sure what's actually happening other than the molecules are rearranging, and it allows the pigment to then seep to the top. But you gotta be very careful with this because you can melt the plastic. So you gotta go slow, keep moving. You don't focus your heat. Hopefully, this isn't causing any like major audio interference because I've had this happen with some of my other camera equipment doing things using electrical appliances such as these. And I'm on high right now because I want to get this up real quick. And I can already see I'm not moving good enough. I'm going to show you to the camera here. I wish I could zoom it in, but it would be too close. But you can watch the plastic kind of get wet. That's when it's kind of like when you're brazing. If you guys are familiar with brazing, when because you don't welding, you're actually melting. You want to melt the metal. Brazing is a little bit like soldering too. You get the sweet spot, and you watch it so it starts to get wet, and then of course that's when you put that brazing rod into there. But if you go too far, then you melt the base material, and that's not in that kind of operation. That's not what you want to do. Well, here's kind of doing the same thing, and by doing this, it'll minimize those white spots. But you gotta keep moving. Let me turn the heat down. We don't need it on high. Okay, there we go. Got that. And you were talking to somebody on the chat was talking about spider webbing, and there was a little bit of that here. And hopefully, when I hold it up to the camera, you're going to see that that's gone. I'm going to do a little spot back here. While I'm letting that cool, I'll move over here. Low and slow. All right. Like I said, hopefully the audio is not blowing you out. Just because I'm not sure what it's doing to the audio, because I've had interference leakage through usually audio cables and things. So hopefully I'm not. Now, even after this, I would need to then go and finish, but I wish I could get a close up because you can just watch it. It's almost like freaking magic. Okay. Tell you what, I'm just gonna stop right there for now for this demonstration here. Like I said, I wanted to save that for the end of the video. I'm still gonna put it in there for posterity because most people aren't gonna watch however long we've been live streaming in to come and see this trick. It's still a little warm, not hot, but all right. Let me just show you. Hopefully you remember what it looked like before, and let's get it in close there. Hopefully you can see the difference there. Those little white spots and some of that little bit of spidering is not all gone, but it's a heck of a lot better. So, and I know with that ATV plastic, that's a big thing, especially Yamahas. That Yamaha blue gets those white spots. You can still see right, there's a little spot, but if you remembered from before, that was almost pure white. It stuck out like a sore thumb. Now it's greatly minimized. If I keep working on it slowly like that, it'll virtually go away. There was some on the front of this, which of course is all dirty now. And you can still see I still got some work to do up here. There's a couple of white spots, but doing that little trick can kind of help you there. So, well, I mean, I hope this was entertaining. I hope maybe you learned something, or you want to share with your friends or hop in the next time, because maybe I'll live stream doing a little bit more of this. I guess let me know, leave a comment and such. Let's just see what people are saying here before I think I'm going to cut this short. I got some work done on it, but little here. Yeah, it does look incredibly better already, doesn't it, for Works?